In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Asana Bot to Google Chats. Whether you're working with teams or managing multiple projects, integrating Asana with Google Chat can streamline your workflow and help keep everything organized in one place. First, you'll want to open Google Chat. Once you have Google Chat up and running, go ahead and open the specific chat space where you'd like to add Asana. This could be a room dedicated to your team, a project, or any space you wish to enhance with task management capabilities. When you're ready, type the @ symbol in the message field, followed by Asana. As you begin typing, you should see the Asana option appear in a drop-down menu. Select Asana from these suggestions to tag it in the chat space, and then simply press Enter. This action introduces Asana Bot to the chat space, allowing you to start leveraging its capabilities right away. After you've pressed Enter, a message will pop up on the screen from Asana, prompting you to click on Sign In. This is the moment where you'll begin integrating the bot seamlessly. Clicking Sign In will guide you through the authentication process, which is an essential step to connect Asana with Google Chat. You will need to log in to your Asana account. If you're already logged in elsewhere, this step might be quick, or you may be prompted to re-enter your credentials. Once logged in, continue with the configuration process. During this setup, you should allow access to any requested permissions. These permissions are necessary for Asana to interact with your Google Chat space efficiently, so make sure to approve any access requests that pop up. With everything connected successfully, you can now start using the Asana Bot. To access the full range of Asana's features, type the / symbol into the chat, followed by Asana Settings. This command opens up the Asana Settings menu right within Google Chat. From here, you can configure the specific Asana workspace or project you want to link to this chat space, customizing your setup for optimal efficiency and collaboration. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully installed the Asana Bot to your Google Chat, and you're all set to begin enhancing your project management capabilities. Integrating these tools means smoother collaboration and more streamlined communication with your team. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.